Hello everyone. I would like to start with a short overview of the plugin and how to install it. So what is Mission X? Mission X is an Explain plugin written in C++, and its main purpose is to allow simmers to share an adventure with other simmers using an XML rules and grammar. It also supports MyBasic as an embedded scripting to extend the plugin. If you don't want to write a full-fledged mission, you can create your own random template and have endless short adventures. The plugin has a basic user interface that helps the simmers start and drive the mission. The plugin is an ever-ending work in progress. It is hosted on Bitbucket as a public project. You are more than welcome to take a look and contribute. I will leave a link below. The plugin is currently hosted on Mediafire and is available through explain.org. To have the full range of capabilities of the plugin, you need to download the plugin pack and the random mission pack. To download the plugin, navigate to explain.org, scroll to the end of the page, click the Utilities link. On the right side you will see the subcategories. Click the Mission X link again, and in that category click the Mission X again. In this page I update the changes I did in each build, give some direction on how to install or use the new features, and feel free to read it. If you subscribe to explain.org, you should see the download this file button. Press it. Once you click, you should see the available files to download. You can click each download separately and download it from Mediafire. Save it to your download folder or any temporary folder. Let's assume that I've downloaded both files, and now once we finish download, we need to copy each compressed file to its relevant folder. For example, the Mission X plugin should be copied, let's copy it, just a second, to Explain install folder or directory, resources, and then plugin. Now open the compressed file. In Windows I'm using 7-zip. You will see that the file contains another compressed format, the tar. So double click again. The plugin is basically compressed twice, once as a tar file and then as a 7-zip. Once you see the Mission X folder, drag it or extract it to the plugin folder. Once we extract the file, you will see the Mission X folder and its subfolders. Documents can be found in the docs folder. If we want to install the random mission pack, we basically do the same, only we need to copy the random mission pack to Explain installation folder, to the custom scenery folder, and here we should have, or if it's your first time, please create the Mission X folder and place the random mission pack in it. uncompress the file and you should see the random folder created. If I double click, you will see, okay, only a random folder. Just extract it and you will have the environment ready for Mission X plugin. Now you can fire Xpaint itself, and in the plugin menu you will see Mission X and the current version, the current active version. You can toggle Mission X Briefer. You can then open missions that you might download and place in custom scenery Mission X folder, just like the random pack. Or you can generate a mission using a predefined template. That should cover the plugin and its random folder installation.